Hello everyone, welcome to the Gina Melcy Adult Learning Center here at the Long Island City Queens Public Library. My name is Giovanni Ramos Sosa. I am the center manager of the Adult Learning Center here. We offer a variety of resources and we offer a lot of courses for the community. We offer ESOL, English for Speakers of Other Languages. We offer GED classes in English and in Spanish. We offer computer literacy classes in English and in Spanish. We also have a case manager on board who offers different resources for people in the community that can benefit from it.
Hello, my name is Jose Flores. I am the case manager here at the Adult Learning Center in Long Island City in the Queens Public Library. Most of the services I provide is I get any constituent that wants to come in that needs help with employment, any health services, any social services, applications for NYCHA housing, anything you could think of. We usually have partners and I refer them to the partners, or if not, anything with employment and resume building, career building, I also help as well.
Hi everyone, my name is Array Rodriguez and I work as a learning support specialist at the Long Island City Adult Learning Center at Queens Public Library. I usually help students on board. I help them fill out the ISRS form. I also help with the testing. We welcome everyone, even if there is a language barrier. Our staff is very diverse. We have Spanish speakers, Bengali speakers, we have Arabic speakers as well.
Hi, my name is Emni Mamun. I work as an outreach support specialist at Long Island City Queens Library at Learning Centers. One of my key responsibilities here is to build strong and long-lasting partnership with the community members and organizations. Every service is free, you don't have to pay anything, so that's something with the library is very benefit for the people and the community.
Everyone is welcome here. We offer services for adults of all ages. We have students 60, 70 here come and join our English and even our GED classes.
Hi everyone, this is Sabine Akhtar. I'm the lead instructor at the Learning Center at Queens Public Library. Right now, this is an advanced English ESOL class. So yeah, this program is under the Workforce Innovative Opportunity Act. So we prepare them. Besides teaching English, we prepare them for the workforce. So teach them the communication skills and the life skills so that they can start their new life here in the US.
Hi, I am Carla Dunke. I'm part of the Adult Learner and the Queens Public Library in the Long Island City. I like it because there are people of different countries, so I can listen English with different accent. It's good for my learning. And I like the teacher and all people who work it.
I like the program a lot. The teacher is wonderful and other students are very nice. We are getting along very well. We are practicing every day the English language, and we think that this will help us for the job market in the future.
Hello, my name is Mona Hassaneem. I'm Assistant Center Manager at Queens Public Library Adult Learning Center at Long Island City. We service the community here, newcomers who wants to learn English, getting the GED or having their citizenship. I would encourage everybody to come to Queens Public Library Adult Learning Center because I was one of these people who came to the center many years ago, more than 10 years. And when I came to the country, I don't know where to go, how to start. And everybody helped me here. To improve my English, to get a job, even they offered me a job, and to start my life here.